family or just to pick up. And
On behalf of all the teachers, I would like to thank everybody for giving us the chance to see you once again. Successful, lalo guwapo, maisli, may nalakan siya. May mga asawa na. Meron ka kayo wala. Wala naman itong asawa. Asawa yung asawa ko na dito.
Ay, sarili. Kaya sa YouTube.
After this year, thank you very much. Salamat po.
Video. Lalagay ko sa ano.
Okay, meron pa isang